Stop. If your PT-PMA Bali visa keeps getting rejected, you're burning months, and here's the 24-hour fix from TheBaliLawyer. Here's the problem. Immigration changed the capital requirements in 2026. Minimum paid-up capital dropped from IDR 10 billion to IDR 1 billion in March 2026. Processing time now averages 21 to 28 days with correct documents. A digital nomad in Canggu tries to set up a PT-PMA to get a 2-year investor KITAs. Immigration rejects the application because the business plan lists remote consulting, which isn't allowed under PMA regulations. Within 14 days the visa expires and they're forced to leave Indonesia. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle the PT-PMA setup and KITAs process so you avoid these rejections. The stakes in 2026 are higher because immigration now cross-checks your business activities against the actual DNI online list every 90 days. Most people fail here. They pick a business activity code from old 2026 lists without checking the updated DNI portal. In 2026, immigration cross-references every PT-PMA application against the current negative investment list in real time. If your KBLI code appears on the closed list or requires special permits, your application gets auto-rejected within 72 hours. You lose the IDR 15 million setup fee and have to restart from zero. Do not do this. With TheBaliLawyer we check the DNI list live before filing so your application lands clean. Step 2 is opening your PT-PMA entity through TheBaliLawyer for IDR 25 million, which includes company registration, tax ID, business license, and registered office in Bali. Most Bali agencies charge IDR 40 to 60 million for the same package and take 45 to 60 days. TheBaliLawyer delivers the full PT-PMA in 21 to 28 days because we file directly with the Bali OSS system and handle immigration liaison in-house. Step 3 is filing your investor KITAs application using the PT-PMA deed as the sponsorship document. This is important. The KITAs requires proof of IDR 1 billion minimum paid-up capital shown in your bank statement at application time. TheBaliLawyer arranges the capital loan structure so you meet the threshold without locking up your own cash for 12 months. Processing takes 14 to 21 days once immigration receives the full dossier. You get a 2-year renewable KITAs tied to your directorship. Here's the problem if you skip the capital loan step. Immigration will approve your PT-PMA entity but reject the KITAs because your company bank account shows zero balance. Without the KITAs you can't legally work in Indonesia under your own PT-PMA. You're stuck on tourist visas doing border runs every 60 days. Within 6 months most digital nomads abandon the PT-PMA entirely and lose the IDR 25 million setup cost. The reset takes another 21 days and costs the same amount again. Advanced move for 2026. When you file the investor KITAs renewal in year 2, immigration now requires a quarterly activity report proving your PT-PMA conducted real business in Indonesia. The exact wording you submit in the report is critical. Copy this template into the DNI online portal under Section 4.2 Business Continuity. Write, PT-PMA, company name, conducted, specific service, for, number, Indonesian clients between, quarter start, and, quarter end, generating gross revenue of IDR, amount, as documented in attached tax filings SPT Masa PPN and PPH 25. TheBaliLawyer auto-generates these reports every 90 days so your renewal lands without compliance flags. PT-PMA, company name, conducted, specific service, for, number, Indonesian clients between, quarter start, and, quarter end, generating gross revenue of IDR, amount, as documented in attached tax filings SPT Masa PPN and PPH 25. Check DNI list before filing PT-PMA application. Use capital loan structure for IDR 1 billion requirement. File quarterly reports to keep KITAs renewable. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for help setting up your PT-PMA Bali with investor KITAs in 21 days. Visit https://thebaliLawyer.com.